Hello everyone, I have come with a nice viral math problem. If you want, you can find answer yourself first. You can write it in the comments. Let's start. We'll give you two different solutions. Okay, let's start with first solution. Parentheses, addition, power, exponent, division, subtraction, multiplication, parentheses, subtraction. Okay. First, parentheses, 2 plus 4 equals 6, exponent, 5 minus 3 equals 2. Now, there are exponent, division, subtraction, multiplication. First, exponent. 6 power 2, 6 times 6 equals 36. Now, division, 36 divide 2 equals 18. Now, subtraction, 18 minus 3 equals 15. Finally, 15 times 2 equals 30. If you solved the problem this way, you made a mistake. Because when solving the problem, you should have pay attention to order of operation. The order of operation coded as PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses, A stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Okay, here we have another rule. There is no order multiplication and division. Operations are done from left to right. Similarly, there is no order addition and subtraction. Operations are done from left to right. Okay, left to right. Repeat. Parentheses, exponent, multiplication and division, not ordered from left to right. Addition and subtraction, not ordered from left to right. Okay. Now, let's solve the equation according to the rule. First, parentheses, 2 plus 4 equals 6. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Now, exponent, 6 power 2, 36. Now, there are division, subtraction, multiplication. First, multiplication and division. Multiplication and division, left to right. First, division. 36 divide 2 equals 18. Now, multiplication. 3 times 2 equals 6. Finally, subtraction. 18 minus 6 equals 12. The correct answer will be 12. Okay, great job. Today we learned the wrong answer and correct answer and rule behind it. I hope it makes sense now. We reached the end of our video. Now solve the question on the screen. Write your answer in the comments. Let's see if you can find the correct answer. Subscribe from the logo on the screen for new videos. You can check out other videos from the boxes next to it. See you in the next video.